Good morning, everyone. It's me, Maria Andrea Asube. I'm your classmate. Okay, so sorry for the lighting because the camera is um, I don't know. The camera has a low quality something, and also it's 1 a.m. because I expected that it will be less noisy because the people are sleeping, but then may nag-birthday dyan sa kabila. So people are in inuman and jamming. So speaking of inuman, it is related to my topic. It's related to my topic. So the effects of alcoholic drinks in the body. What are the effects of alcoholic drinks? What do you think? Well, alcohol affects everyone. How it affects you depends on how much you drink, your health, your age, and other factors. Drinking too much can lead to harmful short-term and long-term effects. It can also affect your physical and mental health. Why? Di mo next? Oh, here. So these are the common alcoholic drinks that we saw on the table during gatherings. We're all familiar with these, right? Right? Right. Right. Some of you have already tasted it and had been drunk. Well, okay. So the percentages are the different balik. They're different alcohol contents. Does it make you thirsty? If yes, well, same, same. Well, just kidding. We're trying to be healthy here. Just drink a lot of cup of cold water. Hmm? The effects are different for each person. How alcohol affects you can depend on a range of factors, including your gender, your mental and physical health, medical conditions, and also alcohol can affect you more quickly if you drink on an empty stomach, have a lower tolerance to alcohol, have a lower percentage of fat and muscles on your body, and are a young person, weigh less, and don't usually drink alcohol. What happens in your body as you drink alcohol? As you drink alcohol, it passes into your blood through the walls of your stomach and small intestine, travels to all parts of the body including the brain, slows down your brain and affects almost all parts of your body. It also affects the way you think, the way you feel, the way you behave. We have short-term effects of alcoholic drinks. Drinking alcohol can affect your body straight away. A healthy person is likely to experience on the first level of drinking, whereas the first shot and so on, you'll feel the feeling of well-being, whereas you become talkative, relaxed, and more confident. And on the next level, as you drink, you'll be slurred in speech, impaired balance. It feels like there's linom, and impaired coordination, vision, and reflexes, unstable emotions, and vomiting. On the higher level of drinking, you will be unable to walk without help, sleepy, difficulty in breathing, memory loss, loss of bladder control, especially in girls, and possible loss of consciousness. Oh, wait. In the short term, drinking too much alcohol can also lead to accidental injury to yourself or others. Being in a road accident, deliberately harming others or yourself, unprotected or unwanted sex. This is common uh, in the news and something the unwanted sex. Also, alcohol poisoning and hangovers. The long-term effects are include mental health issues such as increased risk of suicide, sorry, substance abuse, as you may become dependent or addicted to alcohol, especially if you have depression and anxiety, increased risk of diabetes and weight gain, impotence and other problems with sexual performance, um, fertility issues such as reduced sperm count and reduced wait, it's hard to pronounce, testosterone levels in men, brain damage and brain-related conditions such as stroke and dementia. Why do you get a hangover? The main cause of a hangover is the effect of ethanol. So the ethanol is the alcohol of the drink. So it is a toxic chemical that works in the body as a diuretic, which means it can make you pee more and you will be dehydrated as a result, and a headache is just one of the many symptoms of dehydration. And um, we have also the immediate alcohol-induced headaches, the headaches during drinking the alcoholic drinks, and also the delayed alcohol-induced headaches, the headaches after 12 hours of drinking alcohol. Does alcohol kill brain cells? Well, it is a myth that drinking kills brain cells unless you have enough brain cells kasi naubos na sa online class. Just kidding. Instead, alcohol damages the brain in other ways. For instance, by damaging the ends of neurons. This can make it difficult for the neurons to send important nerve signals, since alcohol may also damage the brain by increasing the risk of strokes, head injuries, and accidents. So we have trivia. Tequila. So we all know tequila, right? Tequila has numerous health benefits and is lower in calories. Um, the natural sugars found in tequila are non-digestible, meaning they act like fiber and won't raise your blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the sugar is shown to help lower cholesterol and can help you lose weight. Yep, that's right. Tequila can fit in perfectly with a weight loss plan if enjoyed in moderation. Last trivia. Okay, water, water. So if a study says that if you will chaser an alcoholic drink with water, you will be less hungover. Um, since you will be less dehydrated. So as you drink on the sunod, choose water. Okay, I'm not encouraging you. I'm just saying it was this Google said. Okay. So that's the end. Thank you for listening. The picture is for educational purposes only. Just an example. Okay. Keep your head, drink responsibly, or just don't drink anymore, and don't do drunk texts, and don't do drunk texts talaga. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed. You enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.